Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya and today we are taking a close look at a grooming game changer, Philips Beard Trimmer Series 3000 BT3303/30. This comes from the house of Philips. Now I know what you're thinking, another beard trimmer, what's the big deal? But trust me, I know what I'm saying. And this one has some serious tricks up its sleeve. Let me show you. First up, let's talk about these self-sharpening steel blades. They stay just as sharp as day one, giving you the perfect trim with utmost precision even after months of usage. And the rounded blade tips are so smooth on the skin that you don't need to worry about scratches or irritation. Next, let's see the precision dial. This lets you dial in your desired length with crazy accuracy. We are talking 10 different settings between 0.5 to 10 mm, allowing for full control with 1 mm precision steps, perfect for achieving that exact length that you want. For a perfect stubble trim, we have the lift and trim system. This comb lifts and guides the hair to the level of the blades, ensuring an even trim. It's great for maintaining that stylish stubble look effortlessly. Now, let's talk about power. With about 4 weeks or 60 minutes of cordless usage, this trimmer is perfect for on-the-go grooming. This beard trimmer uses DuraPower technology to reduce the friction on the blades, preserve the motor, and it makes your battery last 4 times longer. And let me tell you, the 15-minute quick charge function is a lifesaver, providing enough power for one trim. Plus, it comes with a battery indicator and a flexible USB cable for convenient charging. This trimmer is designed for maximum comfort, making it easy to groom even in those hard-to-reach areas. The detachable head makes cleaning a breeze. Simply rinse it under a tap, dry it, and you're good to go. With 2+1 years of warranty upon Philips registration, you can now groom with confidence. The powerful lithium-ion battery, precision dial, and the skin-friendly design make it a must-have for your grooming routine. So do not forget to register for your extended warranty. So guys, that's a wrap on our walkthrough of the Philips Beard Trimmer Series 3000 BT3303/30. And trust me when I say this trimmer is going to change your grooming routine forever. So get yours now. Until next time, stay stylish, stay sharp. Here's me signing off.